How to save battery on your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can save your battery on your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the methods are really simple. First step is you'll need to turn off your Bluetooth. So turn your Bluetooth off, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off. And after that, what you'll need to do is head over to your task manager, right click on your taskbar, then tap on task manager. After you've tapped on it, you will see task manager right here. So what you'll need to do is simply turn off your services or processes which you are not currently using. So to turn those off, you will need to right click on it. Let me find something that I can simply close. Let me scroll down here. Okay, so let's do this one. Right click on the task that you want to end, then tap on end task. After doing that, that task will end. And yeah, you can do that for every other, processes as well. And that should save a lot of battery since all of these processes are actually running in the background. So they will be consuming your battery. After that, what you can do is head over to control panel. Under control panel, you'll find your, let me just change this. You will find your battery option. So here you should find power options, change it to large icons, then select power option. After you select power option, there you will see change plan settings. You'll see the balanced option. Make sure that you select the balanced option here. And doing that, your problem should be fixed. And that's how you can save your battery on Windows. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.